Hey guys, welcome to one more episode of Digital Marketing Update. So today we're going to discuss about how Google is pushing more and more AI mode into the overall ecosystem of Google. Okay, so far, as you guys know, that the AR overview that comes at the top, that for example, if I type in at the top here, okay, what are the different parameters for core web vitals I have searched. So right at the top, I'm on mobile mode, iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so it's showing the AR overview at the top. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, AR overview comes at the top now. What new changes Google is trying? And I think they will be pushing towards 2026 is that there will be more and more AI mode instead of the typical search that we get, including the AI overview. So when the AI overview is connected with AI mode, okay, now it has been official. It's not that this is a rumor or something going on, okay, in the market. It is official by the vice president of product. He has mentioned this on X that they are in fact testing, and they have rolled out on several devices worldwide. This whole before rolling out to the mass, Google always tend to test all these. Now what it does is that instead of you here if you see if you type in any query right at the top, okay, the what are the different parameters that you have for AI overview, okay. Uh, Instead of typing one more query at the top, right at the top, you can just simply go ahead and interact the AI overview command, or AI overview content right from the AI mode. So instead of you going type in that the top of Google search bar, okay, you can now interact with your AI overview results right from the AI mode. Okay, so it's basically reducing or removing all the context of typical Google search. Instead, like that, the AI overview result will be dealt with an AI mode, okay, that will give you the AI answer again. Okay, so what does it mean for us? From the digital marketing standpoint. So guys, I've been telling my juniors, like people who has been working with me throughout 2025, is that sooner or later, Google going to go ahead and launch their entire, the Google search algorithm or the Google search system on the AI mode. The reason why they are not doing it, is just because their biggest like the revenue system, Google Ads, they're not able to still figure it out. I mean, I have read a lot of different journals and a lot of different people, and they still telling the same thing, is that they're not able to figure out that how to integrate their Google Ads system the way it should be. I mean, they can if they really want to, but how exactly the people going to accept it instead of the way it is going right now? Okay, so the AI mode, okay, is coming for sure, but they are still not able to figure it out, like how to integrate their Google Ads system with their AI mode so that people accept the Google search the way it's supposed to be. Because if they really want to, they can. As you can see here, the AI review is also going to be followed by the AI mode. Okay, you really don't have to go back to the Google search again. Okay. So, guys, also I would like to give you an update that on each Friday I'll be publishing a case study, okay, for marketing, what is going on with digital marketing, or a specific case study that I'm going to discuss. This Friday, I'm going to talk about Google versus OpenAI. Okay, who's winning, who's doing what, like what they have been doing. Now, I would like to tell you one thing before this case study I publish on Friday. Okay, Google is basically is not relying on NVIDIA or any other processing unit or graphical processing unit companies. Also, OpenAI rely on them a lot. But Google is not relying on. Google has been, and right now they're pushing big time on their tensor processing unit so that their reliability factor on AI processing is in-house, okay, so that they can create their own processing unit. However, having said that, it does not mean that Google does not use the NVIDIA cards and NVIDIA processing units. Of course, like they have their Google, like cloud, where they rent out NVIDIA and other like dependent services to the IT services, and like the IT infrastructure, the cloud infrastructure that is dependent on their NVIDIA processing units. Now, coming back to the main story, okay. What we understand is that like Google is pushing AI mode more and more. Okay, it is very evident that even from the AI overview, there's no way that you can go back to the search again. Okay, from the AI overview, Google is pushing on the mobile. It is official by the vice president. Okay, that from AI review, you're going to go to the AI mode. Okay, and then from the AI mode itself. Okay, all the follow up queries will be done through the AI mode itself. I mean, there will be no like 10 blue links and other stuff that might come that used to come up in the past. So guys, I hope that this would help. And also I would like to tell you that, for the future, like I said, over and over again, you should be ready that the AI mode is coming on Google. Okay. So whatever your SEO strategy is, drop there. Okay. It sounds like really ridiculous, or maybe you will be like, what the heck is telling, but this is the truth. Okay. Whatever the strategy that you're doing right now for SEO, drop it then and there. Okay. Just like Neil Patel says, try for search everywhere optimization. Okay. SEO is dead officially as of 2025. Okay. Try for search everywhere optimization. Try to make sure that you follow this strategy. Now, what is the search everywhere optimization? I'm going to create one more video. That's going to be a long video in the future. Okay. So what I would like to tell you is that creating your backlink, publishing multiple blogs in a day, this, that, blah, 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 all these things you used to do 5 years back, it's not going to work out like 2 or 3 years. Maybe 2025, maybe 2026, middle or till the end. But if you're planning a long-term strategy, like, 2 year, 3 year, 5 years down the line, then you have to drop that traditional SEO strategies. You have to go with search everywhere strategy so that your visibility is everywhere. And even if like tomorrow the Google drops 10 blue links strategy, or the way the Google works, okay, you're still gonna survive, your traffic is still gonna survive, and your leads gonna be still there. Okay, so that's all from mine, guys, today. Okay, so we'll be looking forward to connect on Friday for my case study. That will be Google versus OpenAI, who's winning, who's doing what. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye.